beginning where it all began. The forests. Discover friends whom you will never find on the social media. All the usual luxuries, including the one unusual, dense nature. Welcome to a life you've only read. Experience a truly exceptional and balanced lifestyle at the 4 theme zones. Arbaro, the fitness world. Amazonia, the wellness retreat. Madagascar, the kids play area. And Borneo, the recreation haven. A shining jewel in the crown of Rajarhat. A perfect symmetry of nature and modernity. A centerpiece of vision and innovation. Nestled amidst 15 acres of nature's paradise are 21 magnificent towers, evoking glamour and graceful living with international flair. Discover a pure heaven on earth and a lifestyle beyond compare amidst acres of invigorating greens. The designer landscape creates a perfect world of indulgences for all age groups. Listen to giggles of pure joy as your little darlings enjoy themselves at the themed toddler play zone. The sanctum of serenity, where in an instant your mind will be clear, leaving room for only peace. The perfect getaway after a hectic day at work. Imagine a perfect Sunday brunch amidst the serene backdrop of poolside cabanas and private island. Or just laze around in absolute purity at the ozonized pool, the first of its kind in Kolkata. Take a stroll with your loved one on the healing sands of the beach. Take your family on a holiday every single day at this exotic pool area. The designer landscape also features 2 grand clubhouses. Challenge your friends at the indoor games arena. The state-of-the-art fitness studio. The inspiring views and exclusive facilities invite you to experience a world-class lifestyle. The clubhouse also features a branded cafe, sports bar, and the oxygen spa. The alluring banquet hall with party lawn plays the perfect venue for all your special occasions. You are in for a delight if you are a sports enthusiast. The amphitheater is a visual treat. A mural wall, cascading water steps, musical fountain, and an unimaginable ambience. A perfect place to socialize or to unwind amid the symphony of music and lights. For morning jogs and evening walks, the naturopathy garden with jogging track offers you a healing ambience and the perfect path to good health. Fitness enthusiasts will be even more thrilled, for they have yet another stimulating avenue at the upper deck of the podium. The magnificent clubhouse with a well-equipped gymnasium, therapeutic spa attached to a knife-edge pool inspires you to take your health to a whole new level. Each of the towers comprises luxuriously appointed 2, 3 and 4 BHK residences. The tropical lobby lounge is where you experience the wondrous harmony of nature and luxury. Welcome to your world of pure elegance. A perfect marriage of meticulous planning and cosmopolitan design. The spacious confines of your air-conditioned homes invite you to savor the opulence that surrounds you. The exquisitely styled master bedroom is where you will experience pure exclusivity. Stylish wooden flooring and a private deck. It truly epitomizes a global lifestyle. The perfect place to sit back and enjoy your morning coffee with inspiring views at your command. Whichever apartment you opt for, you are bound to enjoy the enigmatic views of the exotic greenery. offers an exciting treat for kids. Fun-filled activities keep them engaged at the unique treehouse theme park with modern play equipment. Come and celebrate the fine life in the lap of nature.